Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your Honor 600 Lite 5G. So first, if your Wi-Fi is not working, what you guys want to do is simply go over and open up settings. First, what we're going to do is we're going to toggle Wi-Fi off and on. So we're going to turn this off. Now turn it on. This is a quick restart. Now what we're going to do next is we got our network saved right here. So now it is connected. We're going to tap on this. We're going to click forget. And we're going to go over, click on the same network and quickly enter the password. So now we are back and connected to the same network. What are we going to do next is if you got a router close to you, make sure to restart it. All you really need to do is power it off and power it on. It will restart itself. And basically the switches are different, so you can either have a turn off switch on the sides or on the back. It's really dependent on the router itself, so I cannot really help you find it. But to restart the phone, all you have to do is press the power button, the volume up button, and keep on holding them until you see this menu pop up. Tap on restart, tap again to restart the device, and now it's restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the phone restart, what you guys want to do is basically check for software updates. But first, make sure that the router is also restarted. Go over to the settings. Now, what are we going to do here is scroll all the way down to system and updates. Here, click on software update. And it's checking for the latest version. So my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important so you don't have any old glitches on your device. And as a last resort here, the last one, we're going to click reset network settings, and this will delete Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth devices. So keep that in mind before resetting. Of course, this is not necessary, but if you want the best results, it's definitely worth clicking. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.